In this video, we're diving into how to launch an online store using Shopify step by step. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you turn your product idea into a live storefront. Now, maybe you're thinking of starting a business or expanding beyond marketplaces like Etsy or eBay. The path from idea to online store might seem daunting, but Shopify simplifies the process. By following a structured approach, you'll move from brainstorming to your first sale without feeling lost. Step 1, define your audience and products. Everything starts with your customers. So before you start to design a website, think about who you want to serve. Create buyer personas that describe your ideal shoppers, their interests, their needs, and challenges. Next, decide what products you'll sell and how you'll source them. You can manufacture items yourself, purchase wholesale from suppliers, or use a drop shipping model where products are shipped directly from the supplier to your customer. Evaluate your costs, margins, and logistics. Step 2, choose your commerce platform. Now, Shopify is an all-in-one e-commerce platform that handles your hosting, security, and software updates. You don't need to manage servers or write any code. You can get started with Shopify and click the link down in the description to sign up for a free trial and explore the interface and see if it meets your needs. If you like it, you can choose a paid plan later. Step 3, build your brand identity. Your brand is more than a logo. It encompasses your values, visual style, and the experience that you create for your customers. So pick a business name that reflects your mission and register it legally if required in your jurisdiction. Design a logo using free tools like Canva, or hire a designer. You can use something like Fiverr or Upwork and choose colors and typography that match your brand personality. At this stage, you can secure your domain name. A custom domain makes your store look professional and it helps with branding. Many domain registrars also offer email addresses that match your domain. Step 4, build your store. All right, now it's time to assemble your store. From the Shopify dashboard, you can choose a theme that matches your products and audience. Customize the theme with your logo, colors, and fonts. Write product descriptions that focus on benefits and use high quality photos. Now, Shopify also allows you to embed blog posts. So use a blog to share stories, tutorials, or news about your niche. Blogging builds trust and it can drive organic traffic. Step 5, set up payments and shipping. You want to enable payment gateways in your Shopify settings. If you're in an eligible country, activate Shopify payments to accept credit and debit cards without additional transaction fees. Otherwise, you can connect third-party gateways like PayPal or manual methods. Configure your shipping settings by setting up zones and rates. Decide whether to offer free shipping, flat rates, or carrier calculated rates. Choose packaging materials that protect your products and reflect your brand. Step 6, launch and market your store. Now, before opening your virtual doors, place a test order to make sure that everything works. When you're satisfied, remove the password that hides your store from the public and celebrate your launch, but remember, the work isn't over. It's kind of just getting started. Make sure to spread the word about your store through social media, email newsletters, and collaborations with influencers or bloggers to reach more potential customers. Try to maintain consistent branding across different channels so people recognize you instantly. Step 7, optimize and grow. Now, after launching, use analytics to understand your customers. Monitor which pages get the most visits and which products sell best. Use this information to adjust your marketing strategy and your inventory. Experiment with different price points, discounts, and bundle offers. Regularly update your site with new products or content to keep visitors engaged. Now, growth doesn't happen overnight, but iterating and learning from your data can help you build a thriving online store. Now, if all of that sounds like a lot, well, you're in luck because we've got a way to make this a lot simpler. And that's by using Storebuild.ai. Now, this won't be the perfect setup for everyone, but if you're looking to do drop shipping and you want to get started as soon as possible, this is going to be a great starting point for you. Even if you don't want to do drop shipping, this is a great way to get a store built for you really quickly and really easily. So to get started, just click the link down below in the description and click on Build My Free Store. Now, here you'll just have to put in a first name, an email address, and a password. So let's go ahead and do that right now. All right, next up, we just need to select the type of items that we want to sell. So they've got a couple of different options. They got clothing, pet care and supplies, tech and gadgets, home and outdoors, sports and gear, or you can click on need inspiration. Let's go ahead and do pet care and supplies, and we'll go ahead and select the next here. So here we pick a color theme for our store. We can change things later, but they give us a couple options here. I kind of like this earthy green. And then go ahead and select a banner here. So we've got some different options. Again, we can choose and change this later on. I kind of like this one right here. I think that'll go good with that green color I chose as well. And just click on next, and it's going to ask us to register a Shopify account. So we'll just click click on that button right there, and we'll go ahead and type in that same email address. And for here, we'll just go ahead and click skip, and we'll skip this as well. Now, in order for all of this to work, we do need to go ahead and select a plan. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. I'll go ahead and just select the basic plan. So it's gonna be a free 3-day trial. And then after those first 3 days, you'll be charged $1 per month for your first 3 months, no matter which of these plans you choose, except for the plus plan. For this example, I'll just go with the basic plan and just fill out this information. Okay, with that information in there, and having selected a plan, we are good to go, and we can go ahead and click next, and we'll make sure that we've activated it. So again, this is just confirming that you went ahead and selected a plan, inserted your credit card information. So we'll click yes, I have done it, and we'll come back over here to Shopify. We'll copy that link. We'll come back over here, paste it in, click save, and we'll click next to get to winning products. All right, so steps to activate, we'll click on activate Zendrop below and follow the setup steps. So go ahead and click on that, and this should open up the Shopify App Store. We want to make sure that this is the right one, and we'll go ahead and click on install, and this should bring us back to our Shopify dashboard here. We'll click install one more time, and we'll click approve, and now we have Zendrop connected. So Zendrop is essentially how you're going to source your products. So we'll click here to go to continue onboarding, and this will bring us back to Storebuild.ai. Next, we'll click on go live, and it's just going to take a second here to build us our store, and you'll see in just a couple of minutes how easy we went from not having a Shopify store to having a Shopify store with products inside of it in just a couple of steps. All right, so go ahead and click access Shopify and publish. Okay, so here we go. Let's go ahead and click on view my store, and here we go. We can go ahead and see our store. We've got this beautiful banner up here. We've got this great homepage. We've got some products and stuff here. If we come up to catalog, we can come and see everything that's in here so far. So just like that, we went from nothing to having a store with products ready to sell in just a few clicks. So if you want to get started with Storebuild.ai to get your entire Shopify store built and connected to Zendrop, then go ahead and click the link down below in the description. It'll build you your store for free. All right, so choosing the right products and suppliers. If you decide to go a different route, then this section's for you. Selecting products is one of the most important decisions that you'll make. You want to look for items that solve a problem or bring joy to a specific audience. Use market research to identify trends and gaps. Consider your own passions and expertise. You'll market your products more effectively if you actually believe in them. Finding reliable suppliers is equally important. You can source products from local makers, wholesalers, or drop shipping suppliers like Zendrop. Each option has pros and cons. Local suppliers may have higher costs, but shorter shipping times, while overseas suppliers might offer lower prices with longer delivery. Always order samples to test product quality and supplier reliability before committing. Designing a unique brand story. So a compelling brand story helps you stand out. Share why you started your business and what sets you apart from competitors. Incorporate your values and mission into your branding and marketing materials. Storytelling connects with customers on an emotional level, making them more likely to remember and support your store. Navigating the Shopify App Store. The Shopify App Store offers thousands of apps that can extend your store's functionality. Explore categories like marketing, inventory management, and customer service to find tools that fit your needs. For example, review apps display customer testimonials, upsell apps suggest complimentary products at checkout, and drop shipping apps connect you with suppliers. When selecting apps, pay attention to reviews, pricing, and compatibility with your theme. Install one app at a time and test how it affects your site's speed and user experience. Remove apps that you don't use to keep your store running smoothly. Customer service and support tools. Providing excellent customer service builds loyalty. So integrate a live chat tool so visitors can ask questions in real time. Chatbots can handle common queries automatically, freeing you to focus on more complex issues. Include a comprehensive FAQ page that addresses shipping, returns, and sizing or usage information. Consider adding a help desk or ticketing system if you receive tons of inquiries. These systems track customer requests and ensure that each one receives a timely response. Handling returns and policies. Clear policies reduce misunderstandings. Draft a returns policy that outlines how long customers have to return items, whether they'll receive a refund or store credit, and who pays for return or shipping. Make this policy easy to find. Display it on your footer and link to it from product pages. Create a privacy policy that explains how you collect, use, and protect customer data. Depending on your location, you may need to comply with regulations like GDPR or CCPA. Transparency builds trust and helps you avoid legal issues. Continuous improvement and A/B testing. Even after your store is live, continue testing and refining. A/B testing compares 2 versions of a page or element to see which performs better. Make sure to collect feedback from your customers and ask what they like about your store and what could be improved. Running promotions and sales. Promotions and sales are powerful tools for attracting new customers and rewarding loyal ones. Plan your promotions around holidays, anniversaries, or slow seasons to stimulate sales. Use Shopify's discount codes features to create percentages or fixed amount discounts, buy one, get one offers, or free shipping details. Make the terms clear and easy to understand. Promote your sales through email, social media, and on-site banners. Create urgency by setting clear end dates and using countdown timers. After the promotion, analyze the results to see what worked and what could be improved. So, building an online store is an exciting venture, full of opportunities to learn and grow. No matter how prepared you are, there will be surprises and challenges. Approach these moments as chances to improve rather than setbacks. Each problem you solve makes you a more capable entrepreneur. As your store evolves, so will your skills and your understanding of your customers. With dedication and adaptability, your online store can become more than just a shop. Keeping your mission and passion at the forefront will sustain you through the challenges and guide your decisions as your store grows. Every decision you make, from product selection to website design, shapes your customer's experience and sets the tone for your brand's future. So stay patient, stay persistent, and always be ready to adapt. These qualities will see you through the ups and downs of entrepreneurship. Now, if you want to get started with Storebuild.ai and Shopify, there's links down in the description. These are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allows us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos on different website builders, how to create your first website, discuss domain names, and so much more, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.